Hi, my name is Arthur Dietrich. I live in extreme condition and actually I'm going to test the new iPhone application anti-snoring. So let's have a test. It should work. I know it.
Doesn't work. Try something else.
We should try something else. The other option? The other option is the textile option. The t-shirt option, we call it. As you can see, there's already 3 t-shirts around his face because we're standing on some massive t-shirt. So basically we're gonna try with the light blue t-shirt, which are the best, I'm sure about it. First, you have to fold it like this. Yeah, it has to be clean, and the white face always at the top. That is the most important. Standing like this. Don't break your wrist. It's just about 1 and 2 and 3. Slow motion. It doesn't affect at all the animal. T-shirt number 4. The grey one. Look around the thing. Look around. Brock tested the farted solution. Doesn't work. Oh, it's me being and now
What a thing, bro. Maybe after, maybe a pad, and after a helmet.
try. What? Shin guard, double pad, double effective. Great flavor. Great. Pressure zone. Oh, once again. Towel solution. I think we are officially fucked, and this was GC, Brock, and Arthur. We wish you good night. Bye.